We are going to solve some factorization method. For that, suppose you have the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So power 3 minus product equal to addition this. So this one is its identity. Now it's in ABC, that is in the form of ABC, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to this thing, right? Suppose the problem is given like that: 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So this one equal to, we need to identify which is first term, second term, third term. Second term, third term no problem, because already y cube and z cube we can substitute directly in the place of a b c. So here also yz no problem, but here 27x cube. So here 27 is a perfect cube number, so we can write 3 cube, and here we can split our 9 as 3 into 3. So we can write 3 into 3 x into y into z. So now 3x whole power 3 plus y cube plus z cube minus this. We can consider this as the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So here problem it's given x y z, so I change this as a b c. So now a equal to 3x by comparing this, b equal to y and c equal to z. So problem a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to, this is the factor. So substitute a value 3x and b value y, c value z. So problem equal to a value 3x plus b value y plus c value z into a square, that is 3x the whole square. Substitute a, and b value, that is automatically y, no, so y square, c value z, so z square minus 3x instead of a, 3x into b value y, and minus b value y, c value z. Substitute minus c value z, a value 3x. Substitute. Now this is no problem, we can write directly, but 3x the whole square is 3 squared into x squared, so 9x squared. Here the product minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. So this is the factor of the given problem. Next problem, verify. Left side 1 is given, right side 1 by 2 into this thing given. So now consider the left hand side, only the previous equal symbol, no. So here left hand side direct identity, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to identity. Just write the identity. Now come to the second right hand side. The right hand side, this is no problem, but here x minus y the whole square. So expand this by using a minus b the whole square identity. So for that, here this one, a minus b the whole square identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here substitute a value x, b value y, that is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Here y minus z the whole square, y square minus 2xy, sorry, minus 2yz plus z square. Here z square minus 2zx plus x square. Now check that x square term 2 times, so 2x square. Next y square term 2 times, so 2y square. Z square term 2 times, so 2z square. And remaining 2xy, 2iz, 2zx, right? Now all the term we have 2. So write 2 as a common number. So this number 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into 2 into remaining. Now we can cancel this 2. So remaining just right hand side of the identity. So by comparing 1 and 2, left hand side equal to right hand side, that is left hand side equal to right hand side, so verify. Like that you can prove. Next problem, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, that is the value of x value, y value, z value, don't go with the variables, think about the number. The addition of 3 number is 0, then that cube, that first number cube plus second number cube plus third number cube is equal to 3 into the product of the number. This is the problem actually. So now we are going to prove this by using identity. Write the identity. Now substitute x plus y plus z equal to 0 in the identity. So right hand side 0 into anything for totally 0. Left hand side as it is. Minus 3xyz you have. Write this thing in right hand side. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So this problem, you have identity, then x plus y plus z value addition 0, numbers addition 0, then the answer of x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Using this, this is actually you can write the identity. If the condition we can write x plus y plus z equal to 0. This is the meaning of this statement. This identity you can write directly. Okay. Now using this, find the value of the following. First check the number. Let this number, first number a, this second number b, third number c. Addition minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. That is a plus b plus c. That is addition is 0. So a plus b plus c equal to 0. Now you can use this thing. Now why I am written, we need to study both xyz and abc. So that's why I given. So if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So the power 3 equal to 3 into a value minus 12, b value 7 and c value 5. Substitute and multiply. 3 into 12, 36, 7 into 5, 35, multiply, you can get to minus 1260. So this is the product. So you have identity, the addition 0, number, that number no minus 12, 7, 5, the numbers addition 0, then that answer is a cube plus b cube plus z cube equal to 3 into abc, right? The same way 28 power 3 plus minus 15 power 3 plus minus 13 power 3, it's given. Check the number, a value 28, b value minus 15, c value minus 13. Addition 28 minus 15 minus 13. So addition a plus b plus c value 0. Add this to 3 number, we have 0. So identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So equal to 3abc. So this value problem equal to 3 into a into b into c. A value 28, b value minus 15, c value minus 13. Substitute in that identity. So the product is finally 16380 because minus into minus plus. Here you have only one minus. So finally minus. Right. Next, the problem actually given area, just to find length and breadth of the rectangle. So for that we need to factorize. So 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So split to 35 into minus 20 and minus 15. This thing, its first number should be multiple of first number, second number should be multiple of third one. Split like that, minus 20 minus 15. 25 and 20, we have the factor 5. So it's a multiple of 5. So and also a. So 5 into a we can consider. So 5a remaining 5a because of this 25. No, 25 divided by 5, 5. A we taken. So a square we can write as a into a. So 5 into 5, a into a. 1 5a we can take outside. Remaining you have 5a. Similarly here minus 5 into 4a. 5 we can take, a we can take, remaining 4. So return. Similarly here 15 and 12 is a multiple of 3. Here minus and plus, first number plus, no, so consider minus 3 as a common number. If we have minus 3, then this thing we can write 3 into 5a plus 3 into 4. 3 we can take outside, 3 we can take outside, so 5a, here 4, right? Plus means no problem, but you have minus 3, we are going to take outside, means here you have already minus 3, but here we have minus, no, so minus just introduce, then only minus into minus plus. So now minus 3 we can take outside, so 5a minus 4. So actually minus 3 into, actually minus 3 into 5a plus 3 into 4. Now we are going to consider minus 3 as a common. So we need minus here. So that split towards pluses, minus into minus. 3 into 4. So minus 3 into 5a. Now minus 3 is a common. No? Take outside. Remaining 5a. 1 minus remaining. So minus 4. That's why minus 4. So be careful of your minus. So now 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 4 common. We can take outside. Remaining 5a minus 3. Now one is length, another one is breadth. We can change. This one is also length. This one also breadth. Right. Next problem. 35y squared plus 13y minus 12. Split over 13 as 28 minus 15. Then only we can take outside. Now 28 minus 15 is 13. No addition. Right. Here 35 and 28, it's a multiple of 35 and 28, it's a multiple of 7. So 7 we can take outside. Right. Further this one we can write. Further this one we can write 7 into 5 y into y plus 7 into 4y. So now 7y is a common no product. Factorize. So 7y common, remaining 5y, here 4. Right. Here minus 15y minus 12. So we have 2 minus no. So here 15 and 12. So 3 is a common. So consider 3 minus 3. So minus 3 into 5y minus 3 into 4. Just factorize by using 3. So now 3 minus 3 common, we can take out. So remaining 5y 4. Minus 3 taken, so remaining we have plus 4. So return. So now 5y plus 4 and 5y plus 4 common. Remaining 7y minus 3 right. So this is L value, this is B value. Right. Next the same way volume. Here 3x squared minus 12x. Here the common term is 3xy. Here we can write 3 into x minus. Here we can write 3 into 4 into x. Now 3x is a common. So 3x into remaining x, here remaining 4. So that's why 3x into x minus 4. So 3 one term, x one term, x minus 4 one term, like that we are going to write the products. So now the dimensions we can write 3, x minus 4. The same way, next problem, volume. 12ky squared, all are just multiple of 4, or we can write directly k into 12y squared plus 8y minus 20. So 12y squared, here it's 8y. So we can write 12 minus 20y. Here you can write in different manner, or you can write directly. Here it's wrong. So here 8y. So here minus 12y plus 20. Further 12y into y minus 1. Okay. Here also 20y plus 20y it's given. So y minus 1. Now y minus 1 is a common. Remaining 12y plus 20. So y minus 1 into 12y minus 20 is plus. Here 12 and 20 is a multiple of 4. We can write 4 as a common number. So 4 into 3. 4 into 5. 4 we can write outside. So 3y plus 5 it's remaining. So now the dimensions 4k, y minus 1 and 12y plus 20, or 4k, y minus 1, 3y plus 5. Or first itself we can write 12ky squared plus 8ky minus 20k. Now all are multiple of 4. So 4k we can take outside. So 4k means here remaining 3y squared plus 2y minus 5. This is the meaning. Now 3, 2, 5. So 4k into. How to split this one? For that, this one 2 no. So I am going to use 5 because of 3. So 3y squared minus 3y plus 5y minus 5. Then only plus 2y. You split over 2y as minus 3y plus 5y. So 4k into here 3y common. So 3y into remaining y minus 1. Here 5 common, remaining y minus 1. So here 3 into y. So 3y, remaining y no. Sorry. 4k into y minus 1 common no. So y minus 1 into 3y plus 5. So now the factor 4k, y minus 1, 3y plus 5. So like that you can write your answers. Thank you.